busted box of screws. The screws just come right out. Lovely. And I don't know how this is expected to hold. What is this, 5 pounds of screws? Yeah, 5 pounds or 5 old stupid non-metric measurements. So we gotta fix this because this is annoying. You take this out of the drawer and you get screws all over the floor. Not good. So you can't just tape it because the screws will come and cut right through the tape. So we have to get a piece of cardboard, cut it to size, and then stick it to the bottom of the box. We don't want it to go past the bottom of the box because then it won't fit in the drawer. That's good enough. This is not work of precision here. So we'll take this and we'll stick this on the bottom of the box like that. And we're going to use this tape. This is general purpose tape with the Duck logo. I guess it must be Duct Tape brand. Yep, it is. Duck brand, Duck Goose. Wider tape would certainly be more useful in this particular application, and tape that doesn't do that would be more useful in this application, but so be the case. This is the tape that we have, and it stinks. This is a terrible roll of tape. It was probably fine at one point, but when this type of tape ages, this happens. This type of tape just doesn't age well. And we want to block the window over here. It says image on the label is not actual size, but the images in the window are definitely the actual size. Is there any useful information over here? No, not that I need. We don't want to cover this part up because that's the information I actually need. Okay, box is repaired. I'm going to go ahead and throw the date on here just because people are going to say, oh, it's not going to last, it's going to break tomorrow. Ugh, you should have used other tape. I'll put the date on there because we'll look back on this box at some project in 10 years from now, and we'll see that this lasted for that long. We'll check back in 2035 if this box of screws lasts that long. It might. I don't use these screws too often.